SMDC Wind Residences in Tagaytay to spend our New Year. And there's so many people. Check-in time's 2 p.m. but it's already 3 p.m. and it's still crowded because it's raining so hard. It's a rainy New Year. We're very near the elevator. What's inside? Oh, may walis tambok. Towels. That's the bed. Ooh, so here's a CR. And they also provide these toiletries. So you have shampoos, and then tissue, toothbrushes, little mini toothpaste. So there's 4 of us. So it's like there's 4. Okay. It's so clean. Okay. Hi guys, Happy New Year. For this year, we checked in here at SMDC The Wind Residences in Tagaytay. Last year, we are at Cityland near the Rotonda Circle, also here in Tagaytay. And now we decided to check in this time near the Sky Ranch area because we wanted the kids to see some fireworks. Unfortunately, the weather is too bad this 31st of December. So mukhang mahihirapan ng fireworks later unless a miracle would happen that the rain would stop before the eve of the 31st. Welcome the New Year, which is the 1st of January 2019. And so we could not also see any view. So this room should give us, it's on the 19th floor, so it should give us a clear view of Taal volcano. But as you can see guys, let me show you. There. It's zero visibility at the moment. We couldn't see anything because there's so much rainfall and it's foggy outside. So yeah, I booked this accommodation via AirBnb and we availed us 1,600 pesos discount. We saved that much amount to book this room. This is about 4,000, more than 4,000 pesos. However, we just got it for 2,500 because of the discount. When you use a referral code, if you're a new user, that would register at Airbnb and will book for the first time. So there. And the place is really nice. Hi guys, so this is how rainy today in Tagaytay, 31st of December, just before we celebrate New Year's Eve. It's super wet. It's raining cats and dogs outside there. It's a combination of rain and fog outside. Oh! The volcano is supposed to be there or somewhere there, but yeah, we couldn't see it because of too much rain and fog, and it's super cold here in Tagaytay. And it's just good. I love it.
Hello.
Hi! We're enjoying the view of Taal because we saw a little bit of clearing. Oh, there. Little fog. Okay, guys. Seems like the rain stopped for a little bit, and we saw Taal volcano. There, it's so nice. There, it's a bit clear now. I hope the weather gets better. Rain, rain, go away. Guys, we're walking outside. It's super lamig. Super windy. We're gonna go to 7-Eleven or any grocery store we could find in the area to buy some supplies like water. Oh gosh. Super windy. Go to daddy. Daddy. Go to daddy. There. So foggy. Okay, the roads are clear. It's very quiet. Wala masyadong pagputok. Wala masyadong fireworks. Kasi sobra yung ulan kanina, so malamang hindi nakapag-prepare ang mga establishments. So, this New Year is kind of different from the rest of our New Years, from our previous New Years. There. So, it's just really quiet.
Ako mention.
So, these are the foods we prepared. Yan. We have wine, we have fruits, and then we just bought this from SM Hypermarket. This is ham. And then I bought at the supermarket, I bought some veggies, and then I just steamed it on the rice cooker because they don't have a stove in this unit. So we've got vegetables, and then this one came from Hypermarket as well. And that's just it for our